to the King Fox channel. My name is Matt Conacher, and I'm building a Kit Fox Model 7 STI. Happy Halloween, everybody. Thanks for coming back to the channel. In this video, we're going to get into me taking out the floorboards, getting the holes drilled out. You'll see that there's some novice work going on in there. I attempt to put some screws in, and when that doesn't work using the screwdriver, I get the drill, because why not? If it goes faster and harder, it must be better. But I end up stripping out a few screws along the way, and then that's when I have to take a trip and go grab a tap and die set. So I stopped over at my folks' place. They don't have one, so I ran up to the store and picked one up. And then basically got the tap out, tapped out the holes, and I was able to put the screws in. Talking to a few guys, Jeremy from the UK, who's been writing me from time to time, now mentioned the riv nuts. So I didn't know what a riv nut was, so I looked that up, and I think that's going to be the way to go. So I'm going to be pulling these babies out after I install them. And did you guys see something behind me? Installing those rib nuts. And I was reading another post on the Kit Fox forum. A guy says when he puts them in, he puts a little dab of Loctite on the back of them and slides them in so that holds them. And I'm not going to be screwing these screws down and torquing them. So I'm going to put them in hand tight, give them just a little bit of English, and call it good. I can see you over there. Yeah, I can see you. You're visible. I can see you.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can. I think that's the King Fox ghost over there. So I'm gonna turn on the lights real bright and work through the night. So again, happy Halloween, and thanks for coming back to the channel. Let's get going. So I'm trying to install these screws that come with the kit that go through the floorboards and into these tabs. And I've already drilled these out and reamed them, but I'm having a hard time getting the first screw in. So I'm gonna give it a try again with the drilling and the reaming, and then starting the screw. I'm using these screws 6R by 3/8. They look like a wood screw to me, but they're supposed to go through these tabs and grab a hold, I'm guessing, but I can't get one to start. I keep ruining the threads, so I might have to tap these holes first, which I don't have a tap or a die. I'm not sure which one it is. I think it's a tap, but the book doesn't say anything about that. It just says to screw them in. So I tried to do one through the floorboard, but that wasn't working. So I'll try another one in another hole just to see if I can get them started. I think it's just flattening the threads. Todo está allí para proteger esta cosita. Este es plástico. Será la
Para que no llueva.
la parabrisas, como en el carro. El vidrio que está frente.
En casa de mi papá.
Sí, esta es la ventana, el frente. Para
Al frente para mirar el cielo.
Sí, sí. Y puedes mirar así arriba, porque este va desde aquí hasta encima, hasta atrás, acá.
Hacia atrás, no, sino hacia atrás.
Ya. Is this thing counting? Is it counting?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Go down to the corner of Ripon and come back.
Down there?
Yeah.
A 60-piece tap and die set from Harbor Freight. Unfortunately, I wanted to get it from someplace else, but I think I need it now. And this is an SAE and a metric, so I'll be using that. And I also got basically a deburr. I'm not going to use it for the countersinking or the chamfering on the airplane because I already have one that's, I think, 100 degree. This one's just 45, but I basically got it for the deburring characteristic of it, so that some of the holes that I drill through these tabs over on the plane, I can't get my deburring tool through them, and then the metal's too thick to deburr both sides, so I'll use this probably just to touch up the holes. So I need a 3/8 metric. That says 3/8, but that's definitely, it is not 3/8. I don't know what size it is. Got some coarse threads on it.
screw 6R by 3/8. Not sure what the 6R means, but I'll take a look. See if that helps me thread a screw in. Yes.
Well, after figuring out which tap I needed, I finally got the first one tapped out and got a screw in it, and I decided to tap the rest of them and get everything cleaned up and get the floorboards finally installed. So thanks for watching today's episode, and I hope you liked what you saw. And go ahead and hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that little bell for future notifications if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you on the next one. Happy Halloween.